What's up guys? Karon we're diri sa Marabili Beach Resort. And yes, let's see. Dagan na kayo tao diri. The flags here sa tubig. Nindot kayo tubig diri guys. Anyways, hi guys. Well, actually dagan na kayo tao diri and good timing kasi nindot na kayo ang tubig. Oh my god, I don't like it. So yeah, what's up you guys and welcome back to my vlog. Alright guys, bago lang ko abot ito buwalang. Guys, na ako karon sa Taubuelan. Kalit-kalit na siya nga laag and yeah, invite ako ni Angelique. Unplanned laag ni siya and yeah, let me show you. This is so big. Lagi dulu. Wow, Marabili Barangay Hall. Ya. Okay. Nindito ka sa balas eh. I don't see ang pagbabalik ng new normal.
May signal rin.
Na kotag ano? Cottage. Ubalik ka mata. Ko bala babe. Hello, what's up you guys and welcome back to another Ian Uba vlog. Hi guys, so na-kay kauban karon. And so this is my babe, it's Angelique. Instagram here. Follow. On TikTok. Actually, dili ni siya plano nga laag. I-invite ra pa niya. Sa babe? So, a last minute decision na ni siya nga paglaag diri Supposed to be my plan was mag-trekking kaso lang na wala na dayon. But now, let me show you how beautiful Char.
How beautiful.
The next morning.
Lechon for life.
Sunday's best.
Sunday's best. Or 1.5 ka babe, no? 1.5 na lang ya.
The best gidang lechon basta nasa dagat.
Yes. Once in a month, rabi kung katalag litson.
Ikaw? Limpo lang ko. Para murag lechon feels.
Ito, pwede ra. Napod sila yung mga pano.
Batang sa muna ito, pero makaabot ka sa langaw ko.
At Sara, wow, dagan na kay babe. Dagan man po tagod.
5 minutes later.
One thing that I noticed here kay wala sila ga mask. Dili kay stricto. I think considerate naman, mo-consider naman kay naman sa beach. Di ba, babe? Shout out to my friends, clingy friends, the fall of the clingy friends. Balik na Koli. We miss you so much. Supposed to be diri yung tata before katong wala ta kung wala ta na dayon sa Mountain View. Moday ni ay mong ginaingon nga first time matato na ako dire sa Maravilla Beach. And hi babe. Hi be, JC, Freshness, Nol.
Hi.
Sino gusto i-shoutout babe?
Shout out sa mga laki na ko. Ivan, Brandy, John.
So this will be posted next week pa man. Char! Kanang rug transparent. Okay guys, look what I found. Actually guys, let me finish kilawon.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Ako nang gibalik. Sorry to disturb mo. Charot.
Ay, dako bibo. Mother and daughter.
Wala colored lagi. Wala ko kakitag colored. Nangatago siga. Ah, siguro inani ang galiho.
Oh, kanang sila.
Dagan ba sila, be? Mga tambunan.
Namakan mo, dako kayo. Joke lang.
Yeah. Tara. Ato tayo dito sa cliff. Mag cliff diving. Anyway, taob na. It's 10 a.m. already. Og taob na diri Nindot kaayo. Nindot kaayo diri guys. And wala ko'y nakita nga batuhon. So very fine ang sand. If you can see that, super nice. Oh yeah, very clear blue waters. So finally ligawas na gid ang init. That is Maravilla Beach Resort. It is a public beach, so no entrance fees. All you need to pay is the cottage. Our rent is 500 pesos lang overnight stay, and same rate for day use. Day use is only until 6 p.m. and I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, guys, nindot kayo dire, especially ang sand and kanang pino. Hunas lang, medyo mabaw, pero ano, mataas na siya. Alright. So actually, this Maravilla Tabuelan trip is unplanned. Uban ako sa akong friend, which is si Angelique, kanihan yung nakita sa vlog. And this is actually her childhood place to be. This is siya glaag diri, so nagkala lang din na nakauban lang din ko. Since it's my day off 2 days, so why not, diba? Guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I think that concludes the vlog today. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment below any comments if you want to ask more about this place. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, so pabalik na po karon sa cottage. Naman lang na may kay pauli na po ko sa back to reality, which is sa city sa Cebu. And yeah, it's another 3 hours trip. Maravilla is nasa northwestern part sa Cebu. Tama ba? Northwestern part. So I only took bus ride sa north, which is actually nasa SM City sa Cebu, and then 3 hours, average of 3 hours road trip. I mean bus ride 3 hours, and then abot ni kag Tabuelan. Ikuha ni ko sa akong friend dire. So na, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Saan pagtila, babe?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Darang ako guys. Thank you so much. And that is a wrap. And that is a wrap, guys. And that is a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for Maravilla for coming in. And that was a wrap. Thank you so much for this. Best plan is
No plan.
no plan. Maravilla Beach. Thank you so much for the accommodation and the happy memory. Gumamila din eh. Gumamila eh. Patututot din eh. Ay mo nila balay? Abi na gito. Ah. Nami karon sa balay sa Barite ni Angelique. Ma plantita dyan po din.